Hello guys, this is Backyard Repair, and what I got for you guys today is, or tonight, it's dark. Anyway, I got a 94 Chevy C or K 1500, I can't remember. But I bought this truck and it had a pretty bad idle at the start until it warms up, and then it kind of ran normal. But just figured out what that was tonight. On these older vehicles, they have something, I need that light. Anyway, they have something called an IAC actuator or valve. It's an idle air control valve, and what it does, it has a valve that basically controls your idle. It's got a spring and it opens for more air and closes for little air. And what this one is, it was stuck, kind of closed until it warmed up and then it opened, but being closed, it wasn't getting enough air and it would cause it to rough idle. The needle would like jump up, bounce up and down. So I'm gonna show you where that's at on this truck. Take the air box off, and it's always usually around the air box. So you take these off. Get this one off. This just lifts up. There, like that. And so on this particular truck, is you see this is a throttle body, and then you got this right here with a clip, and this is your IAC, which you would just unclip this like that, and then this, I actually tightened it, but it would screw out. You got some edges right here. I had to use whatever I used, I don't really remember what it's called, but yep, it just unscrews out and you'll have that valve. And what it most likely does is it just builds up gunk and carbon deposits, and what you do is I sprayed it out with carb cleaner, cleaned it all out, started the truck, and idle's normal. So there you go. It's how to fix a rough idle in an older truck or car. It's the same process, just those older vehicles. Newer vehicles won't have an IAC valve. So there we are. Thanks for watching.